Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chris's Cool Stuff and Other Neat Things. I'm Chris, and what I have for you today is another video about my F-150. So if you've seen some of my previous episodes, you know that I had that Raptor style tailgate upgrade that I tried putting on my truck and it just did not work out. In those videos I also mentioned about possibly getting a tailgate decal to put on instead, and I've done that and here it is. So I ordered this vinyl decal from AmericanTrucks.com. It's going to be a gloss black finish, and it's going to go right here on the tailgate. Got to do some prep work, wash up the back, make sure it's nice and clean before I put the decal on. I already took the F-150 badge off when I was monkeying around with that Raptor applique, so I don't need to worry about that. So yeah, let's just go into it. Another good thing with the decal is I do have some minor or small little chips of paint here on the back, so the decal will cover that up. Alright, so the tailgate is clean. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, dry it off. So, better safe than sorry. I'm also going to hit the tailgate with some rubbing alcohol just to make sure it's 100% clean. Alright, we're just going to go ahead. We're going to hit the tailgate with some soapy water. And the water is going to make it easier to position the decal on the tailgate. I'm going to start peeling the decal off. Hit this with some water too. See if I can do this without having to get my wife to come out here and help me. And this little tool is included with the decal, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it with this microfiber cloth so we don't put any scratches into the decal. And we're going to start just moving around, working the bubbles out and working the water out. So you can see one of the good things or benefits using the soapy water is I can peel it off, spray it again, reposition it. Because I was off just a little bit. The cutout for the Ford emblem looked like it was centered, but I seemed like I had just a little bit too much decal at this end of the tailgate, and a little bit of the white was popping through on that side. So I just moved everything down a little bit. Now I think we're good. So there you have it. Again, I picked this up at AmericanTrucks.com. It cost $50. So there's definitely an affordable mod you can do to your tailgate just to give it a little bit more style. And in particular for me, I like, breaking up the white on the truck. Yeah, if you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, please feel free to do so. And if you don't mind, if you can hit that like button for me, it'd definitely be appreciated. So again, I thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.